Distributed PV rooftop are the most common C&I PV rooftop in the market. Manual cleaning is very inefficient and almost impossible to complete. If you choose remote-controlled cleaning equipment, for water cleaning, at least 2 people are required to operate one equipment. The larger the PV array area, the more difficult it is to clean the PV panels using remote control equipment. I guess you will agree it if you have viewed the previous BIPV solar cleaning video. In addition to BIPV, distributed PV rooftop is also one of the PV power plants that PhiCleaner is best at cleaning. PhiCleaner specializes in cleaning large area PV arrays. No remote control is required, and use mobile app AI-Kwun on button to start autonomous cleaning. PhiCleaner adopts scientific rectangular return, autonomous cleaning path planning. Cover 100% of PV panels at one time, leaving no dead spots. Not affected by blind areas of vision. SCTCD correction technology ensures straight moving, with an accuracy error of less than 5 mm for 100 meters solar cleaning. We have passed the French Bureau Veritas certification. PV panels without microcracks after 10,000 times cleaning by PhiCleaner. Keep the safety of PV panels. The most difficult part to clean up PV panels is the bottom frame. PhiCleaner is equipped with ACFSP frame cleaning technology, which can 100% completely clean frame stains. With PhiCleaner's water cleaning, the operator only needs to manage the water pipes. Trained operators can operate 2 PhiCleaners at the same time for water cleaning. PhiCleaner saves labor costly and safe. Autonomous turns and U-turns, equipped with ultrasonic sensing technology to prevent the robot from falling. If you don't want to move the robot, you can configure connecting bridges between PV arrays. The distributed PV rooftop can also support PhiCleaner auto charging and manned cleaning solution. Thank you for your watching.